Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really exciting video. We're actually going to be trying loads of different things. We've got a mixture of Jessup, Urban Decay, Revolution, Lottie London, Bourgeois, L, Gency. We have some goodies to try, so let's just get straight into today's video. If you are new, I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe. It really does help out my channel, and I upload every single Sunday, so make sure that you come back every Sunday for a new video. About 10 billion years ago, I got very kindly sent these Jessup's brushes. This is a big full pack, so I thought we could use them in today's video. So taking the Bourgeois Healthy Mix Foundation, I've very kind of got this sent to me in PR, which is crazy to be sent Bourgeois stuff. Absolute throwback as well, because I used to absolutely love a Bourgeois foundation back in the day. Oh my god, it'd be like really old school on my YouTube channel. But we have two shades here. We have 51W and then 52W. So there's not too much of a shade difference between them, but I'm going to go in with 51W, which is called Light Vanilla. Pop this all over my skin. Oh my god, it literally smells like Bourgeois. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it smells like Bourgeois foundation. It just has that smell. And then taking this Jessup's brush, I'm going to start by just tapping this all over the skin. I'm actually really wanting to find an everyday kind of like makeup routine for work, just to try and put a little bit of makeup on. Like, I don't want full routine. This is honestly just spreading out so easily. It's definitely such a good colour match. It says it's clean and vegan. It says 85% ingredients are from natural origin, and it's a radiant foundation, which is definitely what I need. My skin is very, very dull, which like is so bizarre because you know that I'm an oily gal. It's definitely these dry months because the weather is absolutely horrible in the UK at the moment. Definitely not feeling the spring vibes. I've just recently got my nails done because I'm off work this week, so I just got my nails done and got little tiny flowers. Look how cute they are. Okay, so if I'm looking up close at my nose, which is always my problem area when it comes to foundation, it's definitely like, I wouldn't say it's highlighted my dry skin. My skin's just really, really dry at the moment. Like, even when I've been getting ready for nights out and stuff and I've been putting on like my YSL and my Urban Decay, nothing seems to be hiding my dry skin. And I don't want to exfoliate because I've just obviously done all my skincare, but I didn't want to exfoliate this morning because I'm getting a facial on Friday and today's Wednesday, so I'd rather have my skin like all done nice and fresh from her. Honestly, this looks so nice. It's like just an everyday foundation. I would say if you've got oily skin, it might not be the one for you, if it being like a radiant foundation, or if you want a lot of coverage, I don't think this will be the one for you either, because it is just like a light little bit of coverage just to kind of even out the skin tone. I've got a couple of different types of bronzers to try. So we have the Revolution Precise Contour in highlight sticks, and then this is the Elf Putty Bronzer. Why do I feel like I have this? I actually don't know what shade it is. That's the only thing that's annoying, is once you take it out of the packaging, who knows what shade you bought. So let's start with these. So I actually do have a full face of testing like new Revolution stuff coming soon. I'm going to start with the light and see how we get on with that. And I'm going to use this mainly for my, oh my god, my nose. My nose is wonky, so when I draw on it, it's wonky. And I also want to put a little bit through my crease. I do have an eyeshadow palette to try. Well, I have a couple to try, but I'm just going to literally just do like a little bit of something. I'm not going to do like a full eyeshadow look because I've got a lot of videos that I want to film today, so I don't want to have like a distinctive eyeshadow look on. I'm just taking one of the Jessup brushes. I'm just going to like blend this on my nose. I always find like I always do my nose contour like really, really messy because I always bring my concealer up the sides to neaten it up anyway. I personally, because I know you can use these for like your cheeks and wherever else you want to contour. Oh, it'd be actually good for your lips. But personally, I wouldn't do it on my cheeks. I just think it's going to be a waste of product when it's such like a little precise one. And then it just have a highlighter on the other side, which we'll have a little play of. Well, that's really sparkly. Do you know that would be absolutely gorgeous as a brow highlight? And I haven't actually done my brows yet, but oh, that is stunning. Oh my god, I actually didn't think I'd use the other end of this. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. I'm going to put it on my inner corner as well. That is absolutely, oh my god, stunning. Okay, I'm really impressed by that. And then for my actual bronzer, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. one with a Revolution R8 angled foundation brush. It feels so weird to be like talking about Revolution on camera, even though I don't work for them anymore. It's just crazy. I'll leave a video down below if you want to know all the goss, if you're like you a nosy bitch like me. If you have really fair skin and you struggle to find a bronzer, I honestly think this one would be really, really good. Like, it's definitely not my normal Lucy like caking on bronzer kind of vibe. Oh my god, as well, since I did that video of me being like, Welcome back. This is my update of my whole life. I'm gonna have to change. I'm gonna have to move that. I'm gonna have to move that. Yeah, I've had to move that picture from behind me because it keeps thinking it's a person and keeps focusing on that instead of focusing on my face. I also got PR from Urban Decay. I'm sorry, but who am I? So this is their original eyeshadow primer potion. I honestly feel like I've gone back in time with this. I'm only gonna put a little bit on. Obviously, this is clear, so it's not like the P. Louise one. So I always feel like this is really good. Like these kind of primers are good when you just want to have a little bit of something on, and that's exactly the look that I'm going for today. Obviously, I've already put a little bit of bronzer through the crease, so this will just be to kind of lock everything in place that I put on like powder wise. I don't know if I should be more zoomed in. I'm still like getting the hang of the lighting at this angle and just like the angle of me filming and how zoomed in I need to be and all that kind of good stuff. So just bear with me. And then for eyeshadow, we actually have these 4 options. These were out when I was still working for Rev, I think. You know, they came out in the summer, like the June, and I left in the July. I think I'm gonna go in with the True Icon, which is this one here, which is like the Patrick Tar kind of colour story dupe. So you have like 2 creams and then the rest are all powders. These shimmers are absolutely insane. I'm going to take this one first and just kind of lightly pat this just over that Urban Decay base because I don't want it to be too sticky because I do want this just to be like a natural look. And then I'm going to go in with this one here with the Jessup brushes, and I just want to pop this like in my out of corner, in my crease. I ain't in no gang, but I got shooters and I bang bang. So taking a brush like this, I'm just going to go in with this shade here, and I'm going to pop this kind of like along my lash line, and I'm just going to then kind of like smoke that out with the same brush. The shimmers in this palette are absolutely stunning. The formula is just like, honestly, so buttery smooth, so pigmented. It's like a foil, but not a foil. It's insane. It's not like wet, like the putty ones that they've done before. It's, oh, I mean, look at that. Like, how is that a Revolution? Like, I think it's like, what, £10 palette? I'm going to go in with this pink one here. And I'm going to pop that on. I mean, look at that straight away. Oh my God, the camera's not even in focus. Excuse me. I'm going to pop that on my lid and blend it like over where I've just put that little bit of the darker shade. And then just gives it like just a little bit of something. This is what I do when I just want some shimmer on, but I can't. I don't want to do a cut crease. Just like kind of pop it on like that, and then I'm going to go back in with that last matte shade that I was using in the same brush and just go back over this. And eyeshadow wise, that is literally all that I'm doing. I just popped on some of the Too Faced concealer and I thought we could try this, which is the Lottie London Ready Set Go setting powder, and this one's in the shade Brightening Pink, which you all know is very unlike me. I'm not really a pink powder kind of girl. Let's see what this one's like. It actually looks very, very like a light faint pink. I don't even know if I showed you what the packaging looks like. This is just like a little mini one. I think I got this in a glossy box. And then just going in with a powder puff, I'm just going to tap off the excess on the back of my hand. I also find the pink powder doesn't always work the best on me because obviously I have yellow undertone. I wouldn't really say it's that brightening though, I must admit. I feel like it's just done the job. I'm really not selling it. Let's try some on my forehead. Yeah, actually, when you put it in the middle of my forehead there, you can see how it does brighten. I'm going to powder the rest of my face. I'm just going to use the Revolution Lace Powder. I also have this Bourjois blush that they kind of gifted to me. This is the Rose Dior blush. This is absolutely stunning and like super sparkly. Like that is so nice. It's definitely not as scary as what it might look in the packaging, so you can definitely build it up. So don't worry if you feel like this might be a bit bright for you, because it actually is a bit more softer when you apply it. You see how it just naturally has given me like just a little bit of a highlight to the cheek. I'm just gonna pop a little bit of bronzer on because that e.l.f. bronzer is very, very natural. Yeah, I'm just gonna go in with MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Tan. If you know, you know. I absolutely love this. It's like the bronzer I always go for. Yeah, I just feel like I was just missing a little bit of my orangeness that you all know that I love. That hasn't changed a single bit. So I also have a mascara to test. This is the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes mascara. Not new by any means, like really isn't new, but this is like a double-ended one. So you have like this thick brush on the end, which is for volume. That's what she looks like. And then you also have another brush on the other end, which is for curl and length, which looks like this. You can see that the brush itself has a bit of a curve. I'm going to curl my lashes with my Shumera eyelash colours, like my favourite ones in the whole wide world. And I'm going to start with the curl and length side. Also, I've literally just had 2 patch tests done behind this ear and this ear of 2 different types of dyes, because I'd like to try some LVL lashes. I've not had them for years and years and years, like probably years before even lockdown happened. As always, I have reacted to the dye, so if I did want to get them, I'd have to get them like I did last time, where I get no tint on it. That is both eyes with just the curl and lengthen side on. I have got a little bit on my lid, but I'll sort that out. I'm going to go in with the volume side, but I'm actually like wiping off a lot of the excess. Like, this eye is definitely gone better than this eye. At the bottom, I'm just going to go in with the curl and length. I absolutely love this mascara. I'm so impressed. Wow, okay, an oldie, but a goodie. I hope you can still buy that, because I have a feeling that I'd want to repurchase that. So for my lips, I got sent some stuff from this brand called Gen C. Just line my lips with the Kylie Cosmetics Precision Powder Lip Liner in the shade Smitten. I'm going to go in with this lipstick. That is so pretty. It must be matte, because it just definitely feels it. It's called Pick Me Up Matte Lipstick, and this is Margaret. Awful. Even though it's matte, it's still very, very creamy. I'm going to put a little bit of the gloss over the top, just because obviously I have got dry lips at the moment. So this is their gloss, and this is their Clean Sheen Lip Gloss in Crystal Clear #1. Oh yeah. My lips have been absolutely loving anything to do with like lip oils. Like, I've nearly used a full Revolution lip oil just for my lips being so dry. I've actually got it on my bedside table, just so that when I'm sat in bed, I'm literally just constantly reapplying it. And then that is it with the gloss on. I'm just going to wipe down the applicator, because I don't want to put it back in there and then ruin the inside of it. I'm going to wipe that down. I honestly cannot wait for you to see my PR haul, my makeup haul, my empties. Wipe that down. Let's do a very, very quick roundup of everything, so you know whether it's worth your purchase or not. These are honestly absolutely incredible. If you have been a bit iffy about Revolution's formulas before, like eyeshadow formulas, and you're like, I want to try it again, do I dare, do I not? These are the ones to try, 110%. They also brought out, I've got it over there in one of my drawers, they've also brought out like a metallic muse one from their Christmas collection. Again, obviously this is like a couple of months ago that this will have came out. And then also they've done in January like a colourful one as well. So I do feel like this is going to be like, these icon palettes are going to be like a staple, like the Forever Flawless palettes for Revolution. That's like the vibe that I get from it, because they're bringing out different versions of it. So yeah, would highly recommend. This is actually really nice. It's definitely more of like a lightweight, lighter coverage, radiance finish kind of foundation. So perfect for like every single day. If you aren't massively into foundation, you want to kind of like take a step up from BB creams, I would say this is like a really nice transition. Or if you just want something every single day, like I said, I'm definitely going to be reaching this for work. But the Jessup brushes that I've tried so far, absolutely gorgeous. No shedding, super, super soft, amazing quality. They remind me of the Morphe in Ariel ones. Really, really, really nice. The Bourjois blush was really nice. I obviously go more for peachier shades compared to like a pinky shimmer. It's definitely a lot softer when it's applied. The Urban Decay Primer Potion, absolute classic. Good if you just want to have a clear base, it's less pressure. The e.l.f. bronzer, I just don't think this is the right shade for me. It's just a little bit too light. I had to go back over it with the bronzer. I really don't hope that I don't have 2 of these of the same colour, because that's just an absolute waste. Oh, it actually does sit on the side. Oh, it's in the shade Tan Lines. I'm so dumb. I didn't even see that before. I wish that I went for a darker shade with that. Huda Beauty mascara, oh my god, absolutely incredible. Like, are you kidding me? Another one that really impressed me with the Revolution Size Contour and Highlight pens. More so the highlighter that's underneath my brow bone. Unreal. Like, absolutely unreal. And then for the Gen C little lip combo that I've got on, absolutely gorge. Love it with a Kylie lip liner. Super, super cute. Yeah, I feel like I need to try out more from this brand. Like I said, I do have some other stuff. I've got mascara, brow gel, etc. So I'll definitely like transition them into future testing videos. The one that I wanted to mention before I kind of like finish up is this Lottie London powder. Now that I've been downstairs, so Blake just came home whilst I was in the middle of wrapping up this video, and I was like my makeup, and he was like, yeah, but you look red. And I was like, what do you mean? I said to him, point where I look red, because I was thinking, is it my blusher? Have I put too much blusher on? And he was like, oh, it's like here, and then like under your eyes. And that's where I put this. I'll be giving this to a new home. Pink powders just aren't for me. I just think when you have a yellow undertone, I just don't think pink powders are the one. So this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to come back next Sunday for a brand new video, and I will see you then. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.